Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Imagine a micro Four Thirds camera that seamlessly blends the power and durability of a flagship model with a compact, retro-inspired body. A camera that not only delivers high-end performance but also maintains a classic, stylish design reminiscent of Olympus' legendary roots. Sounds too good to be true? Today, OM System has made it a reality with the brand new OM System OM-3. I had the exclusive opportunity to test it firsthand, and in this in-depth review, we'll uncover its capabilities, strengths, and any possible compromises. The OM System OM-3 aims to bring the performance of the OM-1 Mark I into a more compact, lightweight form factor while maintaining professional-grade quality. This makes it a dream for photographers who want flagship power without carrying a bulky camera. The design is a nod to Olympus' iconic cameras, making it particularly appealing to those who love vintage aesthetics with modern technology. But does it truly deliver on its promises? Let's find out. Design and build quality. A retro look with modern durability. Today, I'm exploring the beautiful city of Cologne, using the OM-3 to capture its urban charm. Right from the first touch, the OM-3 exudes premium quality. It's built with a robust magnesium alloy body, designed to withstand professional use. It feels sturdy, with no creaks or loose parts, proving its high manufacturing standards. Despite its compact form, it retains an IP53 weather sealing rating, making it resistant to dust, splashes, and freezing temperatures, perfect for outdoor adventures. Size-wise, the OM-3 sits between the OM-1 and OM-5. It's slimmer and lighter than the OM-1, yet more substantial than the OM-5, striking a perfect balance. At 47 grams heavier than the OM-5 but 98 grams lighter than the OM-1, it offers portability without sacrificing ruggedness. However, unlike the OM-1, it lacks a deep grip, which may take some getting used to for those accustomed to DSLR-style handling. Ergonomics and handling. Compact yet comfortable. Initially, I was concerned about the grip. Unlike modern mirrorless cameras that prioritize ergonomics with deep grips, the OM-3 relies on a minimalist design. However, its leather-like texture and cleverly positioned thumb rest compensate well, offering a firm and secure hold. When paired with lightweight prime lenses like the OM System M.Zwico 17mm f/1.8, the balance feels just right. But with heavier zoom lenses, the lack of grip might become noticeable. Still, for street photography or travel, where discretion and portability matter, this camera excels. Ports and connectivity. A practical setup. Despite its smaller size, the OM-3 doesn't compromise on connectivity. It includes a microphone input and headphone jack for content creators and videographers, a USB-C port supporting charging and continuous power supply, a micro HDMI port for external monitoring, a single UHS-2 SD card slot, unlike the OM-1's dual slots, potentially a downside for professionals needing redundancy. Let me know in the comments. Do you prefer a second card slot, or is one enough for your workflow? Performance and image quality. Flagship level results. The OM-3 shares the same 20MP stacked BSI CMOS sensor and TruePic X processor as the OM-1, meaning image quality is virtually identical. Expect excellent dynamic range, natural color reproduction, and outstanding sharpness. The in-body 5-axis image stabilization provides up to 7.5 stops of compensation, ensuring tack-sharp handheld shots even in low light. One of the standout features is the high-res shot mode, which produces 80MP images using sensor shift technology. Ideal for landscape and studio photographers who demand maximum detail. The live ND filter is another highlight, simulating ND filters up to ND64, perfect for long exposures without physical filters. Viewfinder and LCD. A clear perspective. The OM-3's electronic viewfinder is bright and detailed, featuring a 1.37x magnification and 2.36 million dot resolution. While it's not as sharp as the OM-1's EVF, it still provides a clear and immersive experience, even in bright sunlight. The 3-inch fully articulating touchscreen is a huge plus for vloggers and creative photographers, allowing for versatile shooting angles. Its 1.62 million dot resolution delivers crisp visuals, making it easy to compose shots and navigate the menu system. User experience. Intuitive and customizable. The OM-3 features an intuitive control layout, designed for quick adjustments. A major highlight is the creative mode dial, offering 4 artistic presets. Art. Predefined filters for various moods. CRT. Quick hue and saturation adjustments. CLR. Advanced color grading controls. Mono, black and white profiles, including classic film-inspired looks. For those who love computational photography, the CP button grants instant access to advanced features like Live ND, HDR, and focus stacking without diving into menus. Video capabilities. A solid hybrid shooter. Vloggers and hybrid shooters will appreciate the OM-3's strong video specs. 4K 60 frames per second recording with no crop. OM-Log 400 profile for professional-grade color grading. In-camera stabilization that enables smooth handheld footage. While it doesn't match the OM-1's dual SD card setup, its performance in video recording remains impressive. Who is the OM-3 for? If you love the retro aesthetic of classic cameras but don't want to compromise on flagship performance, the OM-3 is a fantastic choice. It's ideal for street and travel photographers who need a discreet, lightweight camera. Content creators and vloggers thanks to its articulating screen and strong video features. Landscape and architectural photographers benefit from the 80MP high-res mode and Live ND filters. However, if you rely on dual SD card slots, need an extensive grip, or require top-tier EVF resolution, you may prefer the OM-1. Final thoughts. A new era for retro-modern cameras. The OM system OM-3 is an exciting fusion of classic design and cutting-edge performance. It proves that mirrorless cameras don't have to be bulky to be powerful. The compact, durable build, incredible image quality, and intelligent features make it a compelling option in 2025's camera market. What are your thoughts on the OM-3? Is this your ideal blend of retro charm and modern performance? Let me know in the comments. And that's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth camera content here on Techno Trend Zone. See you in the next one.